Autocad Civil 3D 2013 Introduction. The Autocad Civil 3D user interface enhances the standard Autocad environment with additional tools for creating and managing civil design information. Standard Autocad features, such as the command line and ribbon, work the same way in Autocad Civil 3D as they do in Autocad. Autocad Civil 3D is a vertical solution of Autocad. Autocad Civil 3D software is a building information modeling (BIM) solution for civil engineering design and documentation. Civil 3D is a software for civil engineers, drafters, designers working on transportation, land development, and water projects. Autocad Civil 3D is the most powerful civil engineering and survey software. Civil 3D has the ability to quickly calculate the quantities of materials to be estimated, such as concrete, bricks, cement, etc. with the help of Civil 3D. Project visualization, analysis and designing becomes quite easy. User interface. Work area. Above image is the screenshot of the Autocad Civil. There are different types of tools and toolbars in this interface. Detail of the user interface toolbars is as follows. 1. Quick access toolbar. 2. Ribbon. 3. Workspace. 4. Tool space window. Tools. Points. Points are Autocad Civil 3D objects that can be displayed in the drawing and manipulated graphically. Point appearance is controlled using point labels and point styles. To create points, click Home tab, Create Ground Data Panel, Points menu, Points Creation Tools. Surface. Surfaces are the most basic and necessary element of any project. Surfaces must before creating any road, pipe network, etc. To create surface, click Home tab, Create Ground Data Panel, Surfaces menu, Create Surface. Alignments. Alignments are basically the series of coordinates, lines and curves used to represent the centerline of roads, sidewalk, etc. Alignments can also be used to represent the centerline of a channel or stream. To create alignments, click Home tab, Create Design Panel, Greater Than Alignment menu bar, Alignment Creation Tools. Parcels. Any Civil 3D projects often involve the division of large pieces of land into smaller properties. You're often required to show the boundaries of your site and the adjoining sites. So these divisions are called parcels. To create parcels, click Home tab, Create Design Panel, Greater Than Parcel menu bar, Parcel Creation Tools. Profile. A profile is used to represent terrain data along a horizontal alignment. Data points are generated wherever the alignment intersects a surface line. The profile view is the Civil 3D grid object that shows the profile data. After you create an alignment, the next step in the road design process is to generate the surface profile. To create profile, click Home tab, Create Design Panel, Greater Than Profile menu bar, Create Surface Profile. Assembly. Assembly basically represents the typical section and is the starting point for corridor design. To create the assembly, you add sub-assembly like lanes, curbs, shoulders and other cross-section elements. To create profile, click Home tab, Create Design Panel, Greater Than Assembly menu bar, Create Assembly. Corridor. A corridor model is a three-dimensional representation of the design for a roadway or any transportation design. For creating any corridor you must have an alignment, a layout profile and an assembly. To create profile, click Home tab, Create Design Panel, Greater Than Corridor. Intersection. Intersection here can be described as the area on the road where two roads are crossing each other. When we create corridor on the alignments which are crossing each other but in actual they do not intersect. To create profile, click Home tab, Create Design Panel greater than Intersections menu bar, Create Intersection. Corridor Surface. We can create surface from corridor. Actually, corridor surface is our output and this surface is directly linked to corridor. If make a change in corridor, corridor surface will also change. To create profile, click Corridor tab, Modify Corridor Panel, Corridor Surface. Sample lines. Sample lines are required to calculate section views. Sample lines are created on alignments at different stations. To create sample lines, click Home tab, greater than Profile and Section Views greater than Sample lines. Section views. Section views are the objects which we can show in grids that shows all information of section. It is associated with geometry or location of sample lines. If we change in location of sample lines or geometry, section views are changed automatically. To create section views, click on Home tab, Profile and Section Views. Section views greater than Create Section Views.